Hello everyone, and you're so much welcome to 2 Minutes Talk with Odurole Mojibola. And today we're going to be talking about focus. I remember in my last talk I was discussing consistency. Today let us look at focus. How does focus help me to grow my business and expand my business in an unusual way? Sit back, I'm gonna be right back. Now, I'm sure somebody's already asking, okay, you're talking about focus. How do I become focused? Let me briefly run through those moves you have to make to actually be focused. The first thing I want to talk about this day is be intentional. Let every of your actions, let it count. Let it count. Every step you take, why are you taking them? Oh, you are into shoemaking. Why are you into shoemaking? What problem do you want to solve? Do you also want to make money? You want to make money. That's why you are not paying attention to details in your work. Be focused. Follow people who knows where you want to go, people who are working in line with what you want to do. The thing we're going to be talking about is challenge your excuses. Now, I've talked about being intentional. I need you to begin to challenge your excuses. Now, people who don't know where they are going, they get frustrated easily. Because you're already intentional about what you want to do, then you will challenge every excuses. How come the class you registered for, you are not participating? Challenge the excuse of not having money to buy the materials. Get carton. I say this over and over in my classes. Get carton. Use it to create the sole. Use it to create the pattern. Put it inside them. Challenge your excuses. Say no to every excuse that you want to give. Oh, I'm feeling so weak this morning. Challenge your weakness and tell yourself, I am strong and healthy. Nothing will stop me from being part of this. Challenge your excuses. Oh, I produce some. I have not even been able to sell it. Challenge yourself and market yourself. Use your mouth to tell people about what you do. Challenge everything that want to stand as an excuse before you. Yes, it's one aspect of getting focused. Being focused, you have to challenge your excuses. Another thing is focusing on your result. Don't work with people who are difficult. Yes, don't compete. Don't work along with people you know are difficult. Focus on your result. Any discouragement, every challenge you face in your business, focus on the result you want to get. Oh, I want to be like this. I want to model myself like this. I want my business, my product to be seen everywhere. Then focus on the result you want to get, and don't focus on difficulties and discouragement that you are facing. Another thing is focus on your strength. Sometimes some of us have not been able to do palms and sandal effectively well. You want to go into creating covered shoes, and you just find out that everything is just like it's just jammed together. Focus on your strength. If you find your strength in covered shoe, in moles, focus on it. If you find your strength in children wears, focus on it. Focus on your strength. Stop making your weakness a priority. Oh, I don't know how to do this one. The one you can do it so well. I want to believe from all of this that I've said today, you should be able to see how focus can actually help your business to grow. Thank you for being part of today's talk, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.